Guys, I need to tell you something that happened today, and by the end of this story, you'll understand exactly why I'm making this video. You love my wife. We got married really young, at just 20 years old, and honestly, it was the best decision of my life. We didn't have everything figured out back then. We learned together, made mistakes together, struggled, grew, and matured side by side. She's my partner in everything, and the person I trust the most. Recently, our washing machine started having serious problems out of nowhere. Water was leaking everywhere. The noise was strange, and it honestly felt like the machine was about to fall apart. Laundry day turned into total chaos inside the house. We tried fixing it ourselves. We turned it off, turned it back on, checked hoses, adjusted a few things, but nothing worked. The leak just kept getting worse, and we knew it wasn't something we could handle alone. So we decided to call someone to take a look. My wife remembered Robert, our neighbor. He's a technician and knows a lot about washing machines and basic home repairs. We've known him for years. We talk often, see each other outside, and trust him. He's not just a neighbor, he's a friend. We agreed to call him. A few days before that, some of my friends had been warning me. They told me to be careful about who I let into my house. They said you can never trust people too much, and that you always need to stay alert. But I always gave the same answer. Robert is our neighbor, and I trust my wife completely. Then yesterday, something happened that made me want to share this story. I was working from home, upstairs in my office. I was in an important online meeting, camera on, boss talking, and I couldn't step away even for a minute. My wife told me she was going to call Robert because the washing machine was leaking badly. I told her to go ahead and that I would come downstairs later. Robert arrived quickly since he lives nearby. I stayed in my meeting, but because the house isn't very big, I could hear them talking downstairs. I heard him arrive, open the machine, and start checking everything carefully. He explained that a hose was cracked and needed to be replaced. My wife asked questions, curious as always, wanting to understand how everything worked. She's always been like that. She likes learning, understanding things, and being independent. That independence is one of the many reasons I admire and respect her. After about 25 minutes, the repair was done. The machine was tested and worked perfectly again. When my meeting ended, I went downstairs. I found them in the kitchen, having coffee and talking casually. My wife always offers coffee to anyone who comes into our home. That's just who she is. I thanked Robert and asked how much I owed him. He said it was nothing, and that neighbors help each other. After I left, I thought again about what my friends had said. But Robert isn't a stranger. He's our neighbor and our friend. And more important than anything else, I trust my wife. We've built our life on trust, respect, and honest communication. That's why I'm sharing this story.